Dana, how is your experience this morning?
It's completely amazing. We're just on our way to catch a train, and Sam just turned the car around and drove a few hundred metres of direction because we saw a big cat. And we're just literally metres away from a cheetah who's hanging out on an anthill, and that's just a morning in Salvo West. So we're really, really thrilled.
Wow, did you expect to see a cheetah?
No.
We didn't at all.
Of
We
course,
thought it was a red elephant.
I actually thought it was a red elephant. And of course, looking at the environment around, the dense vegetation, this is a good sight. Yeah, thank you so much. It's about to get up.